What's up, Pokemon collectors? Here we go again with another Ancient Origins blister pack, and this one contains a different card, which is Salamence promo, and another one of these coins. Also, we have added the Primal Clash booster pack into this opening, which will be opening first coming up shortly. So that is the artwork on Primal Clash. This is the back. As you can see, it does come with 4 different artworks. This is just one of them. And here we are. We'll be opening this shortly right after. Here's also the back with that sweet artwork. Okay, so here we go. And it starts the opening. I haven't opened too many Primal Clashes. I believe this is maybe the first couple packs of Primal Clash I opened. I haven't really got into that yet, but we'll be doing openings on video shortly. Okay, so here we go. We got Doublade, Professor Birch's Observation, Lantern, Tentacle, Rhyhorn, Dynamo, Torchic, Staryu, Reverse Weakness Policy, and a Hunte Rare. Holographic Rare. Nice. First pack. First holographic. And we do need a little sleeve for that. There it is. Can we show that one more time? Alright, here it is. Sorry for that flash. Just using the flash, and I know it's annoying a little bit, but it's the best I can do right now. So here we go with the Ancient Origin blister pack opening. We did pick these up at our local Target, and they are about $10 or $11 for these blister packs, which contain 3 packs with 3 different artworks right here. Also, a promo, right, Salamence, and a coin. Not bad. Okay, so here we go with our first pack out of 3. So we did get Whimsical, Faded Town, Special Energy, Flash Energy, Beldum, Unknown, nice card, Porygon, Spinarak, Meowth, Reverse Combi, and a holographic Volcarona. Not bad, not bad. We need to sleeve that up real quick. Sorry it's taking a while. I didn't have any handy sleeves. I'm trying to get a few right now. And I dropped a few cards in the process too. So here it is, another the Volcarona. Nice. Okay, second pack. We will be opening a lot of booster packs on this channel. So we got a Rontum, Porygon 2, a Special Energy, Dangerous Energy, a Quagsire, a Spinarak, a Wooper, Goomy, Eevee, Reverse Wooper, and a Ancient Trait Volcarona. Not bad, not bad. Is it hollow? Nope. Nice. Non-hollow. Very nice. Okay, so final pack. Hope you guys are enjoying these pack openings as much as I am. Please do like the video. Please do subscribe because there will be a lot more to come in the near future. Forest of Giant Plants. Flareon. Sceptile Spirit Link. Eevee. Cottony. Relicanth. Golurk. Persian. A reverse Flareon, nice. And a Ancient Trait NT. Holographic too. Nice. What a beauty. Gotta put that in the sleeve. Okay, so here's a small little recap of what we got in this pack opening. So we got an Entei, Ancient Trait. We did get a Volcarona, holographic. Also a Volcarona, Ancient Trait, rare. A reverse Swooper. A Flareon. A Combi, reverse. Okay, so that is what we got in this pack opening. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Like I said, please do subscribe. There will be a lot of more pack openings coming in the near future. Also forgot to mention this fellow over here. And Pokemon Central out.